In this video, I'll be showing you how you can render and export your videos on Kdenlive. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to have open is your timeline. And when you're done editing your entire video, you can go up here to Project, click on this, and then you can click Render. You can also decide to click Control plus Return if you want to do that. Click on this, and as this page will pop up, as you can see, you need to go up here to Render Project. Then you have the opportunity to either save it as a GIF, MP3, or any 4K if you want to do that, or old TV definition. You need to click for MP3 if you want to do a normal project. Then down here you can either choose to click full project or select zone. I'm just gonna click full project, and as you can see, the render duration is 41 minutes and 7 seconds long. Don't worry, you cannot trust this at all. You just need to click render to file, and you can click override this, and now you can see how long time it actually will take. And as you can see, it will take you less than 1 minute for this 30-second clip. You also have the opportunity to abort job here. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!